Hi everyone and welcome to the brilliant little backyard. First, I must apologize. It's been like a couple of months since I uploaded any videos, and that's due to personal circumstances. It prevented me from doing that. And for the same reason, we're going to talk today about, what happens when you take a break from your backyard and what's the results. This is my Brussels sprouts. Unfortunately, I could not look after them for the last couple of months. I set the irrigation system for 2 minutes every 4 days. Being winter, I thought that must be enough. It was a cold winter and we had some good rain here and then, but it was really very cold at some stages, and here we are after a couple of months. The Brussels sprouts bolted, unfortunately, and the aphidis took over. Let me show you some here. I will take some leaves so we can see the top of these ones. Now, this doesn't look bad, but if we look here, these ones, look at that. It's horrible. It's full of aphidis inside and outside. I'll just try to cut the middle and see what we have in the middle. Actually, the middle looks clean, just a few layers, because as you know, it grows inside, so the outside is full of aphidis, but inside is all right. So we might salvage some, but look at that, it's full. So they really had a good go. The aphidis had a good go on these ones. So what we can do now, for this I'm going to really give it a bit of pressure spray to see if I can remove as much as possible of the insects, and I will give good watering to the soil. If we look on the other plant, we can see the plant is smaller and the fruits smaller too. And we have on these fruit the skin all dry, and that's because the lack of water. This Brussels sprouts really need a lot of water and consistent watering, but this doesn't have any aphidis on it. So the fruit cleaner. The early morning cold temperature and the frost dried out the outer layer of the fruit. That can be solved by spraying water on the expected cold nights to help with to help the plant avoid this kind of injury. Now what we can do in this case, now I will try to clean up this by pressure hose to get rid of most of the aphids. Then I will spray it with eco oil to get rid of the rest. Obviously there is a lot of aphids on this plant. That's what we will do, and we will keep watering every couple of days. We'll give it plenty of water. We'll see if it can recover, if the fruit can get bigger, and let's do some cleaning. So I'm going to start from top. I'm going to put it on the center and do it this way. I'll try to clean as much as possible. I will remove the bolted ones. There is no point of having them anymore because they already gone. I will try to look after the top ones. So I'll remove these all, and I will keep the prospect of the next couple of days. This one might be able to be good enough to eat. So that's what I will do to the whole lot, and then I will spray with eco oil like I said, and we're going to hope for some good harvest in the next week. Please, if you like this, like, share and subscribe. I really need your support, especially after this period of uncertainty for the channel, and I'm looking forward for the next video. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye for now.